Hi, I'm Ritvika Jonalagadda, a student at ISTTM Business School studying BBA. As we prepare for our first semester exams, I can confidently say that my journey at ISTTM so far has been incredibly enriching. I chose ISTTM Business School because it really focuses on industry-oriented learning. From visiting industries to interacting with entrepreneurs, we have the perfect blend of global opportunities and industrial exposure. We also have a tie-up with Pathum Thani University in Thailand, where we will attend a 2-week educational program in our third year, and our top 3 students will be fully sponsored by our college. I've grown so much in leadership, teamwork, and understanding people. Along the way, we have made beautiful memories together, visiting places like Araku, Vizag, and to celebrating cultural festivals together, which really helped us bond more as a batch. ISTTM truly gives us experiences that go beyond textbooks.